Are you still sneaking a peek while using the restroom?
I am sorry. This is what I made for the stray cats in the Institute. Soap cat litter box. In recent days, I have frequently noticed the stray cats in the courtyard. Not only did we eat together, let's all take a dump together. The litter box that was prepared for them before was too small. Having to wait in line to use the restroom. This is making me anxious about the Lantern Festival. You have all helped to bury someone's misfortune.
Ahaha, because I forgot to close the window when it was raining. It turned out like this.
It seems we need to build them a bigger letterbox. Called a duty to deliver the wood to the island. First, create a moisture-proof base. Next is the framework of the main body and the roof. Wrap the entire subject with wooden boards. Draw the positions of the windows on both sides. Don't judge me by my height. A considerable amount of strength is required. Erect the box. Convenient for cutting. Make 2 cat holes here. Install it now. This is a cat door that allows free entry and exit in both directions. The window frame is painted with dark brown wood stain oil, waiting while the laundry dries.
Please install.
This is the secret weapon that allows roof tiles to be pushed back and forth. The window frame is also dry. Cut the mesh and fasten it up. It relies on it for mosquito-repelling ventilation. After the installation of the sliding track, there is a big crack here. Not aesthetically pleasing. I bought this wooden decorative strip to block something. Also brush it in a coffee color. Do I seem like a master of architecture and art? The reef is covered with a waterproof fabric and securely fixed. When did 2 little troublemakers come in? I want to lay these fish scale tiles on the roof. I bought a sample online to check it out. I roughly calculated and found that I need 96 pieces. About 800 yuan. I'll just do it myself. First, let's create a prototype. Then cut it into an arc shape using a curved saw. Let's add a colorful mix style with colors as well. I am doing this type of roof for the first time. Everything from design to color is based on imagination. I am uncertain about the outcome. Spent half the day fiddling around. A whole bunch of colorful tiles have just been fired. First, arrange them on the ground. What are some suggestions for pairing? Fix all pieces in order with a nail gun. Here is a miniature staircase for the kittens. Suddenly, it started to rain that day. It rained overnight. Please check the engineering quality is very good. Not a single detail was missed. And another layer of colorful fences. The color of the roof complements the color of the house. Covered with waterproof cloth. Pour another 200 caddies of litter.
No more waiting in line.
Extra cat litter is stored in the rooftop storage. This is a statement of personal freedom and autonomy. The large mixed-style cat. Litter box is now complete. Come and experience your new ankram. Once they go in, they won't be able to come out.
Sorry.